Hi everybody, Bonnie here. Hope you guys are doing good. We're in my kitchen again. I've got you guys on the windowsill, balanced. My phone is balanced perfectly. What have I been up to? I discovered that I needed some more dishcloths. We have a chore chart, which the girls absolutely love. And some of the chores are, you know, wiping down the table and wiping down the walls and things like that. And they're using my dishcloths, which are made of cotton, which is totally fine and that's good. But then I go in the drawer to get a clean one and they're none to be found because they're in the laundry, you know, and I need to fold the clothes. Anyway, so I'm just like, you know what, I need to make some more dishcloths. So that's what I did. I went and got some of my cotton that I had in one of my drawers. I used a 7.5 millimeter hook, and I'm just gonna set that on the windowsill too. I'll show you guys the dishcloths. It's so exciting. The first one I did, I'm actually standing in front of my sink. This is the faucet, like this is, anyway. So this one is just sugars and cream. It's a back post half double crochet, just regular old yellow. And I chained 20 to start, which made it a little bit small. So then I made another one and I chained 28 for this one. This is double crochets in the back loop. I like the little ridges when I'm doing the dishes. We don't have a dishwasher and it's all old-fashioned by hand. And one more that I chained 28 for. This is just a single crochet dishcloth. And then I had some pink and white, which this one's my favorite, of course, because it's pink and white. Sugars and cream. I don't know the official name of the yarn, but you know, this is also double crochets in the back loop. Those ridges are really helpful when doing dishes. So exciting. Dishcloths. I'll probably make a few more because I do have some random tiny little balls of cotton to use up, and I'm trying to clean out my drawers. I'm trying to, like, because that's in my desk drawer. I'm trying to clean out a lot of things. I have also been making stitch markers. In this bag, I've got a whole bunch of them that I made. I'll probably put some pictures in to show you guys better because I don't really know how well these are going to show up. I've got them in little bags because hopefully this week or maybe next week I'll finally be opening up my Etsy shop that I've been wanting to open up since before I started crocheting. I've just always loved crafts, and yeah, so there's one here. Making stitch markers is just really fun. Then I end up with all these stitch markers that I really don't need. I do have that stitch mark Christmas tree that has a lot of them on there. But anyway, so fingers crossed I will finally get my Etsy shop going after literally like years. The other thing I've been crocheting is a blanket for someone at work. They picked out the yarn. I showed you guys the yarn. This is Shamira Mandala. I'm using two. I'm holding two together because this is a thinner yarn, and it's a blanket. And we're in the UP here, Upper Peninsula, Michigan, where it gets cold. I'm using a J hook, which is a 6 millimeter, holding both of the strands together, and I'm doing a moss stitch, which is turning out really good. Once this is washed, it is going to be so cozy. I really wanted a stitch that was going to be pretty solid because, you know, it gets cold, like I said. So this is how much I've got so far. It looks like a placemat, kind of. Since I am holding two strands together, I started both cakes that had the same color in the middle. They both had blue in the middle. And then it wasn't an even amount of blue. So then the blue carried along when it's changed color, and then that color carried along, and I think it's turning out really good. It is soft, it's squishy. I can't wait to finish it and wash it because then it's going to be really cuddly. It might be something that I make again just for this house, who knows. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on crochet wise. I've got this blanket going. I really want to finish this blanket by the end of the month. Maybe. I want to gift it to her, and it's it's the mindless moss stitch, you know, it's the single crochet, chain one, single crochet, and I'll link the video below that shows you how to do the moss stitch in a rectangle. It works up so quick, and it's so mindless. You can watch TV or whatever. I've been watching YouTube videos, my yarny people, while working on this blanket, which is probably what I'm going to be doing in a few minutes before the girls wake up and the house gets crazy. Yeah. We do have snow on the ground, and the girls built a dragon to go along with their castle, and I'll put a picture of that. And I finally got my Christmas cards in the mail that I had ordered from Shutterfly. You know, the first year that I get nice Christmas cards, it takes 3 weeks to get them. I've mailed out a few of the Christmas cards. I don't think I want to mail out a bunch of Christmas cards this year. I'll attach the Christmas card at the end of the video. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We'll wrap up this holiday. I still have my Christmas tree up and all of my decorations. I did start taking the Christmas mugs out of the cabinets because I was doing some rearranging just to get more room in there, but we'll see how motivated I am if I want to actually tackle taking down the tree. I doubt it. I don't think that's going to happen today. Oh, I almost forgot, like, one of the reasons I was making this video in the first place. So, a couple weeks ago, maybe a week and a half ago, Nick had said that he ordered something for me for my channel for crocheting, and I was thinking, okay, yarn, maybe hooks, because he did get me the clover hooks, but when I got the package, it was in a flat rate envelope and very heavy, and it was not yarn, it was not squishy. It had, well, this is part of it. This bad boy. This is cast iron. Do you know what it goes to? Something that I've been wanting. I've been wanting it for a while, and I just kept mentioning it, and like, he got it. It's one of those dinner triangles. And the reason he said it was for my channel is because he had it engraved with Strawberry Bonnie Crochet right there. I wanted one so that when I'm making dinner or the girls need to come in, you know, they're outside playing, I could just stand on the porch and ring this, and I don't have to, especially in the wintertime, get my shoes on and all that stuff to go out there if they're like playing way in the back by the forest. So I could just ring this. Now this is loud, and I'll ring it just a little bit, but the girls are still sleeping, and I really don't want to wake them up right now. And I don't want to hurt you guys' ears. But you can imagine how loud, that is. And it can hook on like that. He got this from Etsy, and I will link the shop below. It is, I have the card right here. The Red Oak Forge. So I will put their information down below. I've got a triangle that I can ring now, which is, I don't know if the neighbors are either going to love it or hate it. They already think we're weird anyways. I hope you guys are having a good start to this new year, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye.